Welcome to your deep cleansing skincare moment. This routine is designed to gently cleanse your skin, relax your mind, and help reduce blackheads and clogged pores, step by step. Step 1. Gentle face cleansing. Begin by applying a mild, sulfate-free cleanser onto damp skin. Use slow, circular motions. Feel the cleanser melting away dirt, oil, and makeup residue. Rinse with lukewarm water, never hot, to protect your skin barrier. Step 2. Steam therapy, pore opening. Allow warm steam to flow over your face for 5 to 7 minutes. This helps soften blackheads and opens clogged pores naturally. Tips: keep a safe distance from steam. Add chamomile or green tea for extra calm. Close your eyes and relax your facial muscles. Step 3. Blackhead softening. Apply a blackhead softening gel or toner, salicylic acid or witch hazel. Gently pat, never rub. This step loosens stubborn debris deep inside pores. Step 4. Gentle blackhead removal, optional. If needed, use a clean extractor tool or cotton wrap fingers. Warning sign: important, never press hard. Stop if skin turns red. Avoid active acne or inflamed areas. Step 5. Clay or charcoal mask. Apply a thin layer of clay or charcoal mask to the T-zone. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. This mask absorbs excess oil, pulls out impurities, refines pore appearance. Rinse gently with lukewarm water. Step 6. Cooling and pore tightening. Splash cool water or apply a cold jade roller or ice wrapped in cloth. This helps close pores, reduce redness, calm the skin. Step 7. Hydrating toner. Apply an alcohol-free toner with rose water or hyaluronic acid. Pat softly. Tap, tap, tap. Your skin is now balanced and refreshed. Step 8. Serum and moisturizer. Massage in a lightweight serum, niacinamide or tea tree for blackheads. Follow with a non-comedogenic moisturizer, slow upward strokes. Let the skin drink in hydration. Step 9. Sun protection, morning only. Finish with SPF 30+ sunscreen to protect newly cleansed skin. Step 10. Skin repair and barrier protection, ASMR calm tone. Now that your skin is deeply cleansed, it's time to repair, protect, and restore. Take a small amount of a barrier repair cream or sleeping mask. Look for ingredients like ceramides, panthenol, Centella asiatica, aloe vera. Gently warm the product between your fingertips and slowly press it into your skin. No rubbing, just soft, mindful pressure. This step helps repair microdamage from cleansing, strengthen the skin barrier, prevent moisture loss, calm post-extraction sensitivity. If this is a night routine, allow the cream to absorb fully and leave it on overnight. If it's a day routine, use a lighter barrier lotion and let it settle before sunscreen. Step 11. Gentle exfoliation control, ASMR soft whisper. Now, we focus on balance. Exfoliation is not about pressure, it's about patience. Choose a gentle exfoliant, either a chemical exfoliant with salicylic acid, BHA, or lactic acid, AHA, or a very soft enzyme exfoliant. Apply a small amount to clean, dry skin. Move slowly, tiny circular motions. No rushing, no force. This step helps remove dead skin cells, prevent blackhead buildup, keep pores clear and smooth, improve skin texture over time. Important ASMR reminder: exfoliate only 1 to 2 times per week. Overexfoliation causes irritation, oil imbalance, and more breakouts. Step 12. Healthy skincare habits, ASMR gentle guidance. Now, let's talk about habits, because clear skin isn't created in one day. It's created by what you do every day. Start with consistency. Cleanse your face twice daily, once in the morning and once before sleep. Use clean hands, soft towels, and gentle movements. Step 13. Diet and hydration for clear pores, ASMR soft advice. Now, we nourish the skin from the inside. What you eat and what you drink quietly shows on your skin. Begin with hydration. Sip water slowly throughout the day. Well-hydrated skin produces less excess oil, which means fewer blackheads. Hydration tips: drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint for freshness. Reduce sugary drinks and sodas. Hydration keeps pores flexible and clean. Skin-friendly foods. Choose foods that calm inflammation. Fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, omega-3 rich foods, flaxseed, walnuts, green tea. These foods support healing and balanced oil production. Foods to limit. Too much of these may increase breakouts. Oily and fried foods, excess sugar, processed snacks, too much dairy. For some skin types, balance, not restriction, is the goal. ASMR whisper tip: healthy skin is fed, not forced. Gentle closing line: drink slowly, eat mindfully, and let your skin glow naturally. Step 14. Common skincare mistakes to avoid, ASMR gentle warning. Now, let's protect your progress. Sometimes, skin problems come not from neglect, but from doing too much. Avoid over-cleansing. Washing your face too often strips natural oils and tells your skin to produce even more oil. Mistakes that cause blackheads: using harsh scrubs, squeezing blackheads aggressively, skipping moisturizer on oily skin, mixing too many active ingredients, using alcohol-based products. Your skin responds best to gentle consistency, not pressure. ASMR whisper tip: if your skin feels tight or burning, it's asking you to slow down. Step 15. Weekly deep cleansing schedule. ASMR calm routine. Now, we create balance with routine. A simple schedule keeps pores clear without stressing the skin. Ideal weekly routine: daily, gentle cleanse, morning and night. Moisturizer, sunscreen, morning. 1-2 times per week, gentle exfoliation, clay or charcoal mask, once per week. Steam therapy, optional. Deep pore cleansing, rest days are just as important as treatment days. Step 16. Long-term blackhead prevention. ASMR calm focus. Now, we think long-term. Blackheads don't disappear overnight. They fade with gentle consistency. Focus on pore-friendly products, non-comedogenic formulas, lightweight, gel-based textures, ingredients like niacinamide, salicylic acid, and zinc. These help regulate oil and keep pores clear, quietly. Daily prevention habits. Remove makeup completely. Avoid heavy pore-clogging oils. Clean sunglasses and masks regularly. Stick to a simple routine. Less stress for your skin means fewer blackheads. Step 17. Skin type-based custom routine. ASMR personalized care. Every skin type speaks differently. Listen and respond gently. Oily skin, gel cleanser, oil-free moisturizer, weekly clay mask. Blossom dry skin, cream cleanser, rich hydrating serum, minimal exfoliation, herb combination skin, balance cleanser, light moisturizer, clay mask only on T-zone. Sensitive skin, fragrance-free products, no harsh exfoliation, focus on barrier repair. Choose what comforts your skin, not what trends demand. Step 18. Night recovery and skin healing. ASMR deep rest. Nighttime is when your skin repairs itself. This is the moment to slow down completely. Cleanse gently. Apply a calming serum. Seal with a nourishing night cream. Optional: sleeping mask, facial massage, soft pillowcase. Let your skin heal while you rest. Step 19. Professional care and when to seek expert help. ASMR gentle guidance. Sometimes, your skin needs more than home care, and that's perfectly okay. If blackheads, acne, or irritation persist, consider professional treatments. Dermatologist-guided extractions, chemical peels, performed safely, hydrofacial or medical facials, prescription treatments when needed. Seek expert help if you notice painful or inflamed acne, scarring or dark marks. No improvement after consistent care. Sensitivity that doesn't heal. There is no rush and no shame in asking for help. Step 20. Full routine completion and ASMR closing. Deep relaxation. Now, your skincare journey comes full circle. Your skin has been cleansed, soothed, and protected. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. You've learned how to care, not force, how to listen, not rush. Step 20. Full routine integration. ASMR gentle awareness. Now, everything comes together: cleansing, hydration, protection, balance. This step is about listening to your skin daily. Some days it needs more moisture. Other days, more calm. Adjust gently. Never force a routine that doesn't feel right. Consistency, not perfection, creates lasting results. Step 21. Seasonal skincare adjustment. ASMR soft guidance. Your skin changes with the weather, and so should your care. Sun with rays #summer, lightweight gel cleansers, oil-free moisturizers, extra sunscreen protection, snowflake #winter, cream-based cleansers, rich moisturizers, fewer exfoliation days. Let your skin move with the seasons, naturally, peacefully. Step 22. Stress control and skin-mind connection. ASMR relaxation. Stress lives quietly in the skin. Tension can increase oil, slow healing, and trigger breakouts. Take time to breathe deeply, stretch your face muscles, sleep 7 to 8 hours, practice calm routines, relax mind, balance skin. Step 23. Self-love and skincare ritual. ASMR emotional close. Skincare is not punishment, it's kindness. Stand in front of the mirror and thank your skin for protecting you. Every day, gentle touch, gentle words, gentle care. Step 24. Maintenance, patience and long-term glow. ASMR final calm. Now, we slow everything down. This step is not about products, it's about patience. Healthy skin is not instant, it builds quietly, day by day, routine by routine. Trust the process you've created. Give your skin time to respond, time to heal, time to glow. Long-term maintenance tips. Stick to a simple, repeatable routine. Avoid switching products too often. Track what works for your skin. Allow rest days with minimal skincare. Consistency is your strongest treatment. ASMR reflection moment. Close your eyes, relax your jaw, soften your shoulders, feel the calm you've given your skin. Final whispered affirmation: I care for my skin gently, I respect its pace, I allow natural beauty to grow.